Good day, sir. I am Janet M. Cara. This is my basic understanding of fundamentals of ethics. What is ethics? Ethics is mainly known as the principle of moral conduct that makes a distinction between good and bad, evil, right and wrong, virtue and non-virtue. The word ethics is derived from a Greek word ethos, means character. It is a branch of a knowledge that governs right and wrong, conducts and behavior of an individual, profession, group, or organization. Next is the nature of ethics. So we have four nature of ethics. First is the scientific nature. Second is not art. Third is verbal nature, and the last is exclusively for human beings. Next is the scope of ethics. It has three different types of scope ethics. We have meta-ethics, normative ethics, and applied ethics. Normative ethics focuses on establishing standards and norms for behavior. The applied ethics concern with applying ethical theories to specific issues and fields such as medical ethics, business ethics, and environmental ethics. And lastly, the meta-ethics. It investigates the nature, scope, and the meaning of moral judgments. It questions what we mean when we say something is right or wrong and explore the foundation of ethical principles.